friends, I am Purnima Bahuguna and I am a naturopath. And naturopathy believes in treating its patients naturally.
Hi everyone, this is Purnima Bahuguna from Trianya's Health Mantra. Hope all of you are doing very well. I decided to make this short video on dengue because I have been receiving complaints related to dengue from many people. Okay, so I thought of making this video for benefit of everyone. Lot of liquid has to be given, no solid, liquids, lot of liquids. Every 30 minutes liquids have to be given. Now those liquids should be enriched with essential minerals. Okay, so what all liquids can be taken? Coconut water, definitely. If you think that the coconut water is a little cool, then what you can do, take a bowl of hot water and take a glass of coconut water, put it in that bowl of hot water, it will become warm. Okay, then give rice starch water with roasted cumin seeds powder and with rock salt powder. Also give this thing, vitamin C rich stuff, like at least 5 times a day. So you can give Mosambi juice, you can give pineapple juice, all fresh. You can give lemon water in hot water, so Nimbu pani in hot water. Okay, and in that hot water you would add a pinch of black pepper powder. Okay, you can also take amla juice, that would be very good. You can take Triphala water. So give all these water. Third thing, for fever reduction, what to do? For fever reduction, you would use fever aid from Trianya's Health Mantra. It's an oil blend, and you need to dilute it, massage the palm, the fingers and the feet of the patient. It will help in maintaining the temperature at a balanced level and reduces the uneasiness. Give methi leaves water to the patient. So take a liter of water, add 1 teaspoon of methi leaves to it, let it soak overnight, and next morning give this to the patient. Give papaya leaf juice to the patient. Okay, so papaya leaf, giloy leaves. Okay, these are very good in dengue because they help in maintaining platelet count, and they also help in strengthening the immune system. Okay, so it helps in basically getting rid of toxins from the body. Okay, Triphala at night should be taken with warm water. Then you should give so the turmeric is there in every household. So give half teaspoon of turmeric with 2 pinches of black pepper powder every 6 hours to the patient. If let's say the patient is feeling that too much of warmth because of all these warm stuff, then in that case don't give turmeric and black pepper. Okay, then give water, warm water, to be sipped, and every sip should be squished in the mouth like this, and then gulp it down. Okay, so do all these things, and if possible sit in sunlight. In fact, try to sit in sunlight. Okay, that would help. So do these things. Okay, and trust me, you would be able to fight off dengue without any issue. If let's say if you do not have fever aid from Trianya's Health Mantra, what can you do for lowering down the body temperature? You can take an onion, cut slices of it, and then on the sole, okay, or sole of your feet, okay, you would there is this pressed area. On that pressed area, you would put that onion slice and wrap a bandage around and wear socks. That will also help in reduction of body temperature. Head bandage is important, using wet towel. That is important. Anulom Vilom Pranayam will help in basically taking care of the inflammation part in the body, and also it helps in increasing the oxygen level in the body, and that helps in better fight against the infections. Okay, so do these things. These things are very, very helpful, and trust me, within 2-3 days you will be fine. So papaya leaf juice, methi water, giloy leaves juice, then one more thing I missed. So you should, if let's say you do not have coconut water, then you can take 3 liters of water and add 3 pinches of dry ginger powder to it, and 6 pinches of roasted coriander seeds powder to it, okay, and cook it on low flame until it boils, and then drink this water, finish this water throughout the day, as in a day finish this water. So these things will help, okay. So do follow these and do share it with your friends and relatives, so that when in dengue, people do not get scared and they have these ready to follow, easy to follow rather, tips which will help them get out of this situation fast. Yeah, so stay healthy, stay happy, and keep loving nature. Thank you very much.
For any query, you can contact us at 999 0789 726. This is the WhatsApp number too. You can email us also at ourhealthmantra@gmail.com. Do visit our FB page, Our Health Mantra, for more such health mantras. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and fit. Bye.